Hey guys, so in 3 days I'm gonna be going on my first vacation of the summer, which I'm super excited for. I'm going to San Diego, California, probably one of my favorite places on earth, to be honest. But in this video we are gonna be shopping together, planning some outfits, and just getting everything ready for me to leave. So without further ado, let's go shopping. I have my Sephora haul, and honestly it hurt my heart to spend as much money as I did, but a lot of things I'm just running out of, and I also needed some minis for travel because if not, I take way too much stuff and it's just a pain. So I'm gonna give you guys a little Sephora haul, and the fact that I still need to go to Target breaks my heart. But let's get to the haul. The first thing I got was the Rhode Glazing Milk Serum. I got a mini to take with me. I also have kind of textured skin on my forehead and some of my cheeks, so I'm hoping this could help with that, along with the next thing that I got. From Glow Recipe, I got their Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum. I think that's how you say it. But I guess if I use this 2 or 3 times a week at night, it'll help with my bumpy forehead and everything. So I'm really looking forward to that and finally addressing that with my skin concerns. I was running out of makeup remover, so I decided that I want to try the Glow Recipe Cleansing Balm. I probably can't take this on the plane with me, but luckily this trip is a road trip, so we'll see if I like it, and if I do, I'll get a little container for it. From Rhode, I got the Pineapple Refresh Cleanser, and I had to get some shower stuff to go, so I decided to treat myself and get the Sol de Janeiro little travel set, which I love the scent. The Sephora that I went to also had these free samples, and I smelled this scent. It is the 62, and this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to use this probably today, but this smelled so good. Oh my gosh, they gave me this little body scrub, which I'm so happy because I was actually running out of body scrub and I was gonna buy some at Target, but low-key I think I'm just gonna wait to get some. And these are both lotions, also in the 62 scent. Next, I had a restock on my favorite shampoo and conditioner. This one is from Gisou, and I also have the hair mask, which I love, but I've been waiting to use until I restock on this again. So I'm very excited to use my whole set again. I then got these mini SPFs to try, and it comes with 2, so yeah, I'm excited to try it. I had a restock on some brow setter because I was running out. This one is from Benefit. And last but not least, I got Summer Friday's Cloud Dew Gel Cream Moisturizer. And I tried this at the store and I loved it. So yeah, for all the new things that I got, I did do some good amount of research on it. So I'm hoping it doesn't backfire on me. That was my Sephora haul. I'm actually leaving tomorrow morning and I have nothing packed. I need to do all that today. I actually got some PR yesterday, so I want to show you guys everything that I got. First, we're gonna open this package. My nail literally broke off when I was opening that. Okay, the nail is back on, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna look at is this pink one. It comes out backwards because I'm using my front camera, but it is from the brand Tage, and they are a sunscreen brand. This one is their Cicatree Shaking Glow Sun Fixer with over 50 SPF, which I love. I think I only really wear stuff that's 50 or up, but this is a Korean brand and it is a makeup fixer plus SPF. Let's open it. I love products with pink packaging. They're just my favorite thing ever. Okay, let's try it out. And it doesn't have a smell. I love that because I am not a fan of sunscreen smell. Okay, I love this. I am definitely taking this to California with me in case I go to the beach. Okay, this is the next thing they gave me. It is their Cicatree Water Jelly Sun Serum. Okay, so the other was a makeup fixer plus a sunscreen, and then this one is a sun serum. So let's open it. Okay, and then on the back it says a cooling water gel sun serum that refreshes on touch on weightless skin. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna have to look on their website how to use this because I don't know if this is like a serum or a sunscreen. I'm a little bit confused. Like, I don't know if I can just use it as a normal sunscreen. It says it's low irritation, which is good. Okay, I'm just like trying to take off this sticky thing, but it's a little bit hard with my nails. Let's see what this is like. I'm definitely taking it with me on vacation. Thank you so much, Tej. You're probably not even gonna see this, but I love you. Okay, so the next package I actually already opened, but that's because I had to wash it and I wanted to take it with me to California. So I wanted to have it ready to pack, but I'm gonna show you guys the two beautiful sets that I got. I am so obsessed with them. And these are from the brand Rihoas, so definitely check them out. I will put a link in my description to their website if you're interested. But first I got this adorable top. This is just so pretty. Oh my gosh. I do not have any matching sets, I'm pretty sure. So getting these was like such an honor. And then it came with a matching maxi skirt, and here's the skirt. These are also both 100% cotton, so you can definitely feel the difference with this. The fabric is genuinely so soft. Next was a super pretty top that also comes with a matching skirt. This one is satin, but I love the little lace detail. I thought it looked so cute with these brown boots that I already have, and the back is also so pretty. It also has these ties so I can make it look snatched. And then this was a matching skirt. I love the little trim on this. I thought it was so pretty. But thank you so much, Rihoas. You probably also won't see this, but I am so thankful for these sets, like genuinely, and I will be taking them on my trip with me. But I just loved these sets so much. Okay, I need to start packing now because I already waited this long and I'm literally leaving in less than 24 hours. So I'm gonna plan my outfits and then just get everything packed. So I know I'm gonna go to California from Thursday to Wednesday, so I had to pack 5 cute outfits and then 1 for the way back. Then I also decided to pack 3 pajama sets so that I can use them for 2 days each. What do you guys think of my outfits? I honestly don't know really what we're doing besides me going to my cousin's graduation, so I kind of just did my best and hopefully it goes well. These are the bags I'm gonna take. I feel like they both match really well with like all the outfits, so you can't really go wrong with them. But this one is more of like a fancy option in case I need that, and then this one is more like laid back, obviously. I'm just gonna take these two because I just feel like I can't go wrong with them. And then this bag I'm gonna carry with me for the road trip. My makeup bag is so much more light now, but I have to pack my skincare and I low-key have a lot. Like, part of me knows I'm overpacking my skincare, but I just, you know, I just want to pack it, and if it fits, it fits. So I bought this adorable keychain, which also came with a mini sunscreen. I'm gonna clip this on here, and of course I have to pack my Laneige lip mask. I swear by this stuff. I wear it every single night. I have these 2 charcoal masks, and I also have this mini Summer Fridays one. I'm gonna pack what I got today. I also bought some mini Road skincare. I'm gonna bring my new makeup remover. I usually skip toner. I am gonna bring these 2 toners just in case. I know the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. You can only use it like 2 or 3 times a week. Plus I have this little toner just in case. I also have more Glow Recipe. As you can tell, I am obsessed with Glow Recipe. These are the 2 eye serums that I'm bringing. This one is my vitamin C one that I'm gonna use in the morning, and this is the PDRN eye cream that I'm gonna use at night. My Summer Fridays moisturizer, I'm gonna use this in the morning and night. I'm also gonna bring some eye patches just in case. I'm bringing the ones from ABIB. And lastly, I'm gonna bring my new Sol de Janeiro shower set. I love this scent, but I did recently smell the sample ones that I got. It smelled amazing. It was number 62. It was the one that I showed in my little haul earlier. I don't know which one I like more, but you guys know I love pink stuff, so I'm probably gonna like choose this just for the packaging. Okay, so this is gonna be my makeup and skincare bag.